Rocking around the Christmas tree. Rocking, 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 rocking.
Welcome to vlogmas.
Let's go now. Rocking, rock, 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 rocking, rock, 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 rocking around.
Alexa, pause. All right, I am determined to redeem myself to all of you people out there who think that I cannot cook. Okay, I was joking, like I can cook, so don't you worry your little skull. Like, as long as I have a recipe, I can cook, but I'm really bad at freestyling and like making my own recipes up. That's something that I cannot do. So anyways, I'm just preheating the oven. First I gotta check because Chantal always likes to keep stuff in there. So I'm just gonna preheat the oven. Okay, so we're gonna be making, it's my favorite, my personal favorite meal ever, turkey and sweet potato shepherd's pie. So, and that's today's vlog, cooking with me, cook with me vlog. So we're gonna make this right now. We're gonna preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. What would that be in Celsius? I mean, I'm bad at math. I think it's 275. That's really weird in Celsius, but no. I think it would be like 300 Celsius. Okay, no. Maybe like 250 Celsius? I don't know. Okay, Alexa, what is 400 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
400 degrees Fahrenheit is about 204 degrees Celsius.
Wow, boy was I off. Oh my gosh. And that's why you should get yourself an Echo, seriously, I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna heat that up to 204 degrees Celsius. Well, I guess 205 degrees Celsius. All right, so we're preheating the oven right now. Now we are getting the pan hot. While it's getting hot, I'm taking you guys with me here. Really? Oh my gosh, wait a minute, we need to clean the lens off. Wait 1 second. This is for my big camera, but, oh, I completely just sprayed it and completely missed the lens, but, oh my gosh, how many times will I do this today? Please tell me if this is any better for you after I just recorded a whole video with this camera and I'm just now realizing that the lens was dirty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now that we've cleaned that up, oh my gosh, let me put that back because we're trying this new thing where when we take something out, we put it back right away to keep the house clean. Chantal, could you please get on board? Thanks. How embarrassing. I had my glasses cleaner. Oh, so now that we've got you taken care of, let's begin cooking. Alexa, turn the Christmas tree on.
Okay.
That was so beautiful. Avocado oil. Wouldn't it be funny if I did this and then I completely dropped it? It would be hilarious. Let me get some aesthetic shots for you right now. time. Every time I cook onions, this happens. Ah! Ah! My eyes are burning. Smash that like button because my eyes are burning for this one. Just get serious.
Nowadays, nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up a wait till I. Old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light.
Okay, so after that cooks for about 10 minutes, you want to take some of these bad boys. I don't know if you can see it, coconut aminos. 1, 2. You can just free ball that. Then we're gonna take some thyme. Gonna generously, I like my stuff really well seasoned. And you would add in your vegetable broth. I don't have any, of course, so it is what it is, but I am going to be adding these peas in. You can put peas in or green beans. And then I'm going to add this in. You're supposed to add veggies in, but we really like this, so I'm adding some sweet kale in. You can add carrots in, but today we're not doing that.
Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my move.
Alright, so now that you're done that, literally just gonna dish you're gonna put it in the other pan. Okay, so then you put on your sweet potato. By the way, I already pre-made this, so just a little heads up. Wet and soggy, of course, but yeah. Now that that's done, we're gonna take some nutritional yeast and we're just going to sprinkle that ish on top. What I love about this bag from Farm Boys is that you can literally seal it back up and it's good as new. And now we just open up the oven and toss it in. Woo! Check that out. Please don't mind our dirty ass oven. We never clean it. But we do sometimes. Ooh, sweet potato pie.